Welcome, fellow enthusiasts. Today, we embark on the journey of servicing the FS600V Kawasaki engine mounted on this Great Dane commercial mower. Let's dive into the intricacies of maintenance. Valve adjustment. Begin with the engine cold. Lay down oil-absorbent mats to contain any spills. Utilize a 10 mm socket to remove the 5 bolts securing each valve cover. If the cover sticks, tap gently to dislodge it. Use the valve covers as makeshift oil catchers. Unplug the spark plug wires and remove the spark plugs. Remove the fan cover and rotate the engine clockwise using the cover. Once the intake valve cycles, insert a screwdriver into the spark plug hole to locate the top dead center. Adjust valves on cylinder 2 using a 5/1000th feeler gauge. Ensure proper resistance. Loosen silver jam nuts with a 10 mm wrench and adjust cam bolts until resistance is felt. It should be able to move between the valve and rocker. Repeat the adjustment process for the exhaust valve. Valve adjustment on opposite head. Rotate the engine clockwise to position the intake valve on cylinder 1. Repeat the screwdriver insertion process to locate the top dead center. Adjust valves, ensuring proper resistance is achieved. Repeat the adjustment for the exhaust valve. Remove old valve cover gaskets and replace them with new ones, part number 1106111285. Hand thread and tighten cover bolts on both sides. Spark plug replacement. Replace spark plugs with NGK BPR5ES plugs. Tighten plugs and reinstall plug wires. Check the oil level before starting the engine. Ensure oil is at least halfway full for optimal warm-up. Start the engine and let it run for approximately 5 minutes. Oil change. Use a vacuum pump to extract oil. Alternatively, remove the drain plug. Change the oil filter. Hand tighten the new filter, part number 490650724, after lubricating the rubber seal. Refill with 2 quarts of 10W30 motor oil. Start the engine for 30 seconds to fill the filter. Check the oil level, ensuring it reaches the full mark. Air filter replacement. Remove the filter cover and loosen the hose clamp. Replace the air filter, part number 1101307552, and pre-filter, part number 1101370046. Install pre-filter onto the air filter to trap large debris. Securely tighten the clamp and reinstall the cover. Hydraulic fluid and fuel filter replacement. Check hydraulic fluid level and refill as necessary with 5W50 synthetic motor oil. Replace the fuel filter, part number 490190027, ensuring proper flow direction. Remove clamps and hoses. Replace the filter, and secure hoses and clamps. Final checks and testing. Inspect belts and grease fittings. Ensure all components are in proper working condition. Test the engine for optimal performance. It should sound smooth and ready for action. Until next time. It looks like another one is good to go.